Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today for this lovely urban sketch video in Dublin. And I was walking down the street one day and I saw this really beautiful building which I thought looked really vintagey and really interesting, so I took a photograph of it with the mind to do an urban sketch with it. So I thought today was a perfect opportunity to do that urban sketch and draw this lovely little building, and it pretty much is what you see in the drawing that I'm working on in this video. So it's really a cute little building and a really interesting building, so I thought it would be nice to share it with you guys. So I started with a sketch, a nice line drawing, and then I went over it with pen, and then I worked it up with some paints, and then finally some touch-ups with some nice red marker just to pull out those stronger colors at the end. And that was kind of basically it. And always looking to pay that attention to detail and always looking to make it look the best that I can achieve. So that's it. I'm just going to leave the video roll, and so you can enjoy the video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you've got any questions about drawing buildings or urban sketches, please leave them below. I'm happy to help out in any way I can. But that's all for now. I'm happy being creative. Enjoy the video. Bye for now.